I did the Applied Marine Zoology course at Newquay University Centre. It's Cornwall. If you want to do anything to do with marine or surfing or wildlife, I think there's not really many places around the UK in general that are as good. Especially marine stuff, which is obviously what I do. You've got coastline everywhere. You can travel to the coast within half an hour, which is just amazing. Most of it was very much biology based, but also because it was zoology, it wasn't too much plant-based biology. It was a lot of, again, animal biology, a lot of different taxonomy. I did a genetics module, lab experience, a lot of field work. Doing a degree that I absolutely adore, as well as being surrounded by brilliant people and brilliant lecturers, I think it's the best thing.